Hey, Fofa. What are you doing? Maybe I'll catch her in the act if I just leave my camera there.
You should just film her.
I am.
Oh, okay. Okay. So let's bring up production. Hey, I gotta figure this out.
I'll just record until my Fofa, you're so cute. She's like rolling all over the place. Don't touch my camera, Fofa. Take something. No. No, Fofa, no. No, Fofa. Good. Hey. Why is it blinking? Is it supposed to be blinking? Oh, my batteries are dying. Bye, Fofa.